Seeing a hologram for the very first time, my first visual look at what it was really a revelation that said, I think we've got something here, and I think it's something that we can take to the masses. Provision is a 3D holographic media company based here in Los Angeles, and what we do is we build 3D holograms. You know, our technology is very unique and distinct because we are truly floating images in air without the use of any kind of mist, fog. You don't need any special 3D glasses at all. And it truly is a digital image that's floating, detached from the screen that is emanating from. We're excited about working with the Kickstarter platform today because one of the things that we're looking at as the next generation 3D holographic platform is really bringing this to a full life-size image, where we've successfully developed a floating hologram from 3 inches small to perhaps 36 to 52 inches in size. We want to be able to expand that next evolution and bring a human being-sized floating hologram into the world, going to perhaps a full-size car, a full-size house. The financing and funding that we're seeking is really going to be used for the purpose of increasing the size of the optics, a new proprietary light source developed not using laser technology. We have given you the opportunity to be part of the future. We've got the patents to demonstrate we've done something very unique. We've executed in retail market channels that this is not only cool and exciting, but it's accepted. You know, from the very first hologram that we might have seen in the 60s to the movies of the 80s and the 90s, where it just gets better and better, to today, where we can actually show in real life, before your eyes and mine, the ability to see a floating image, I think continues the excitement and the opportunity for us to bring this to the world. And I think the reality is we're going to bring the holodeck experience to life. This is going to go from virtual reality to true reality in a holographic environment. I think it's going to take that evolutionary step, going from a holographic telephone to a holographic TV set to a true immersive holographic experience that you will be in charge of. You'll be able to command what it is you want to do at your fingertips, at your voice, and you're going to be able to command that environment. We're now asking you to be a part of our next step in the evolution of 3D holographic technology. You, by your participation in our project, are going to be able to touch and really claim to be part of something that we're creating, part of our future and part of our legacy together. Do we need this? I think we need it as well as we want it. We live in a 3D world. We talk, we act, we interact, we're immersed in a 3D world. That is what we are expecting our future to be. This Kickstarter project is going to be able to provide the conclusion, the final phase of this next step.